This is Natalie admiring her brother, who's looking at her upside down and bouncing her in her chair. Too much, too much, too much. Thank you. Hi! Hi, gorgeous. What else? Tell me all about it. What then? She's looking at Nathan. She loves you. She's kicking his little feet. She's watching Nathan and kicking her feet. She wants to stomp around like you, Nate. She can't yet. Give her a kiss. Ooh, but in due time.